Do it with me. What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Charmaine and Jeremiah. We're back with another video. And in today's video, we'll be showing you how to make pie crust, pie dough. You ready? Yeah, that's your yes. That's your, that's a yes. All right, so in today's video, I'm using 5 ingredients. I'm using flour, butter, water, love, and my hands. Yup, my hands. My hands. Yay. You ready, Wops? You ready? Are you ready? Yo, babies are high-key strong. High-key. Alright, guys, so without further ado, let's get into this video. Before we get into the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share to my YouTube channel. Hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell, and let's see what happens. Say bye-bye. Say see you later. First and foremost, get you a nice clean pair of hands. Then measure out 2 cups of all-purpose flour and put it inside your bowl, whichever bowl you choose. Spread out the flour in your bowl and then grab you 1 stick of unsalted butter. Come on down, unsalted butter. Here you go. Then you mash it up. You mash it all together. Mix it very well. Mix the butter and the flour in together very well. As we get further into the video, you will see that my flour will begin to flake up as it is doing at this very moment. The more I mash the butter and the flour together, the more flakier it becomes. When adding water to my pie dough mixture, I started off with a 1/4 cup of water. I know that seems about a lot, but it really wasn't. Where I messed up at was right about here. Like, my dough got kind of dry because I had more flour. I then added a little bit more water and I wet it up too much. So once I realized my dough was too wet, I added some cornstarch to it to dry it up. Here you go. See where it got too sticky? And then I just added a little bit of cornstarch to make that baby go boom. Here you go. I mixed that in very well. Then I grabbed my saran wrap, wrapped it up, and stored it in the fridge. If you like this content, please like, comment, subscribe, and share to my YouTube channel at Baking4Jman, as well as follow my Instagram at Baking4Jman as well. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you later. Peace.